Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to hide sender name on Telegram. So you have to open the Telegram on the Android device. So when it's open the Telegram app, so you have to open someone's randomly message and someone's chat in. You have to forward the message, and here I can teach you. So you have to hold it, this message of someone's chat. So when you have to hold it, so there is, you have to forward it. So you have to again go back. So there is the forward option and you have to click this hide sender name. So I will click to hide sender name. So you can see now it will be hide sender name when I will send someone's. So I will send it to anyone with hide sender name. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.